Are you looking for a 3-bed, 2-bath home in Colonia, New Jersey on a corner lot in a quiet neighborhood? Then this video is for you. This home is nestled in a peaceful, well-established neighborhood that offers the best of suburban living, quiet streets, mature trees, and a welcome community feel. The newly fenced yard is perfect for outdoor entertaining, weekend barbecues, or simply unwinding in your private oasis. Step inside and you're greeted by gleaming hardwood floors and a sun-drenched living room with a beautiful bay window filling the space with natural light. The open concept design flows seamlessly into the well-appointed kitchen and dining area, making this home perfect for hosting and everyday living. Just a few steps down, the dining area flows into the family room where you'll find the perfect cozy retreat for movie nights, relaxing weekends, or enjoying the warmth of the built-in fireplace. Upstairs, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms, each with ample closet space and an updated main full bath. The primary bedroom offers a peaceful escape with plenty of natural light and a comfortable layout. This home comes with major updates for peace of mind, including a new AC and furnace which was installed in 2021 and a brand new hot water heater in 2023. Everything is ready for you to move in and enjoy. Location is everything, and 116 Inwood Avenue offers the best of both worlds. Peaceful suburban living with quick access to shopping, dining, and major transportation routes. Plus, it's located in a top-rated school district, making it a perfect choice for families. Homes like this in Colonia do not last long. If you'd like to schedule a private tour before it's gone, call Debbie McLain of Team McLain today at 908-283-1983. And don't forget, this home comes with our exclusive 2-year love it or leave it guarantee.